Hi WordPress users. We have just released an enhanced version of GS2WP table plugin. With this new update, you can easily customize the GS2WP table formatting from WordPress admin itself. This is in addition to customization of real-time table available from Google Sheet itself. As you know, in case of real-time table, changes in data or formatting Google Sheet reflect in your WordPress table within 3 to 4 seconds. This video will introduce the new customizer of table and how to use it. We assume that you have already installed the GS2WP table plugin in your WordPress site. In the previous version, you can set any color, font size, etc. from Google Sheets. But now you can set customized tables from WordPress also. To do this, you can manually go to the Appearance menu and click the Customize link. Or, you can go to the GS2WP table settings page and click Live Customize to edit your table. All tables, whether real-time or simple, are listed in the WordPress customization widget area. Here, you can set the header background color and header text color. Note that, once you set the table header background color from WordPress, it will overtake the background color of table. As far as real-time table is concerned, you cannot change the header color from Google Sheet after that. All other cells' color will change, based on Google Sheet if you change. However, you can change the font size or even the data will change in real time. If you want to give effect to a conditional formatting, there is a way out. Go to Customizer and click Default for body background. Then click Publish. Now, conditional formatting in a real-time table will work. What are the other formatting options? Next, you can change header font size, font weight, border color and width. Similarly, you can change body background color, body text color, font size, font weight, border color and border width. You can also set odd and even rows color and text color. Like this. As we know, in case of real-time table, conditional formatting in Google Sheet will show on WordPress tables within seconds. Like this. Isn't it great? So, thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to download the plugin, please check the video description.